Today, we would like to introduce you SAMSON's headquarters, which is mainly a factory. First of all, this is our head office. We have a test room in our headquarters which you can use our food processing equipment. You can use this room for testing before purchase and product development with the advice of our experts, and we also offer regular seminars. This is the SAMS Solution Center located in the headquarters area. We have R&D center, a training center and a showroom where you can see our boiler and control systems. You can also see all of our product. Next, we would like to explain about the production area in the factory. This is the primary processing and assembly area for the boiler. Purchased materials are processed into parts for each product. This is the equipment welding area. A robot automatically welds the designated points of the temporarily assembled boiler body. And welders weld the parts that are difficult to weld with a robot by hand. After a hydraulic test, fireproofing materials and components are installed. Finally, a test run is conducted to check the safety and capability of the equipment before it is shipped to the customer. SAMSON has been developing for over years, and all of their products are made with our technology, high durability, and safety method. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching.